did you folks make any announcement here at KubeCon?
Well, yeah, we also have a new product for customers who are looking into replacing their Stratos UI for managing Cloud Foundry applications. So the issue with Stratos UI and, in the context of managing Cloud Foundry apps is that this tool has a legacy code base. It's based on the Cloud Controller version 2 API of Cloud Foundry, which has been deprecated. The Cloud Controller v3 API is the API you should use, which means that you have to go through a major refactoring of Stratos UI. So internally, we've tested the assumption on, hey, would it be much more efficient to just rewrite that thing from scratch based on Backstage? And we did, and it turned out to be the right assumption. So CF AppStage is Stratos UI or Tanzu Apps Manager replacement that is built on the Cloud Controller v3 API. Is blazingly fast, and it's making good progress. And it's also available under the anynines data service license. So if you have license credits with us, you can use that in your Cloud Foundry right away.